Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your. So I'm sucking solder out of RAM chips. It's running. I had to switch to my other phone because my phone was dying. And I can't have it charging while I have the little microphone thing in there, so I can't. But the thing that bugs me about this is it does seem like if I. Yeah, that should. It's weird. It seems it just lights things up brighter on this phone. And my beard gets washed out, but things happen. Oh well, things happen. Anyway, so I have removed 6 of 11 RAM chips from this Vic-20, and I'm going to turn on the solder guy and aim to get the remaining 5. This board here, 426259, is stuck on it here. What else does it say? Oh, I can't really see. I can't see. It's all covered by this cover thing. Ow. Anyway, I always thought this was the first board of the Vic-20s, but it's not. It's the second. Anyway, it's the 2-prong 9-volt. You know. And so far I've taken out 2 ROM chips, and 6 RAM chips. I have not put sockets back in because I don't know if there's any hope that this is going to work. That's why I'm going for the RAM chips, because RAM chips fail. They do. And I will test them in something else, and I'll see what's what, and then I will decide, is this a parts board, or is this a board to repopulate? And the answer is, I don't know. Give that a little blast. Every time you do it, it will cool down a little bit. So I was doing this before, and it was going well. So there's no reason to think it won't continue to go well. So I put it on a bit of an angle, and I turn it upright, and I fire. All the while, of course, trying, if I can, to move the pin. A lot of the pins like to be at the side, and I would rather that they are more towards the middle. Because even if you get all the solder out, if the pin is at the side, there's still a chance that it will hold on, and it could do damage. So I hold it a little to the side on an angle, and push gently until I feel it move. Move the iron up. Fire, and this does seem to be going. Very well. So there, that's 9 pins. Oh, here's one on the ground. I'm going to give it a little extra time. That looks okay. It does seem to me, from what I've noticed, that when pins are on the ground, it's more likely that the heat from the iron will dissipate just a little, and the solder will not be melted as well, so less of it gets sucked out, and often those are the pins that cause the most fret. But so far, we are going pretty nicely and pretty tickety-boo, as they say. All right. Okay, I'm going to switch hands, even though I'm not as comfortable with this hand, because that's the way the pins are. often towards the outsides of the sockets. But it seems that didn't sound as good, but anyway, it does seem to be going well. So these RAM chips are used in many other things, not limited to disk drives, pets. I'm not even sure what else. I think that other Vic-20 that I took apart, that I think I had 8 out of 11 that were good. And the reason I took that one apart is because it smoked. And I decided, well, that's enough of that. I think I saved 2 disk drives and a pet. All right, we're coming along here. Angle, push, upright, go. Angle, push, upright, go. Oh, now here's the one that's on the ground. Give it a little extra time. Okay, so just a moment. Oh, I can't pause. I'm on the other phone. All right, well, that is, I'll turn this off. That's 2 more chips that might come out. We'll see in the next episode.